In industries where chemicals, energy, and complex systems are involved, safety is everything. That is where process hazard analysis, or PHA, comes in. PHA is a structured method used to identify and evaluate potential hazards, like fires, explosions, or chemical releases, before they turn into accidents. Through techniques like HAZOP, what-if analysis, and failure mode effects analysis, teams carefully review processes, equipment, and human factors to uncover hidden risks. The goal is to understand how failures could happen and put safeguards in place, whether that is alarms, relief systems, or strict operating procedures. By applying PHA, industries do not just comply with safety standards. They protect workers, communities, and the environment while keeping operations reliable. Process hazard analysis: safety through prevention.